All right. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you're getting this video from. My name is Jerry Wealth, and don't forget, this is me once again. And each time I come like this, I give you trick on Curious Cat. Yes, tricks on Curious Cat. Guys, you don't want to miss this. The last time I came, I gave you a little tricks on how you can actually withdraw your phone. Now, today I'm coming in to show you how you can actually access your Curious Cat without cloud phone. Guess what? You can actually access your Curious Cat now with this trick without going through on your data or offing your data. You can actually do this very easy, and I can show you. This is my Curious Cat. You can see here, you can see it's loading. You can see it did nothing like error, nothing like that. Look at my balance here. If I want to withdraw, look at it. You can see this is it. Nothing like it's showing you error or anything like that. You can see here it's very easy, it's very smooth, everything is working perfectly. I can go back, I will minimize that. Let me just remove this and minimize that, and then let me open it again so that you guys will not think that maybe I'm screen playing or something. You can see that my VPN is on. I mean, my this phone, I can use SIM card on it. It has a SIM card issue, so I have to connect it to Wi-Fi. So you can see I have full access to it. Nothing like VPN. If I go to my settings here, just want to show you that everything is loading. You can see everything is loading automatically. You can see that. You can see that it's loading, right? Very easy and smooth. And then again, if you are doing ATAPOL, you can actually, you don't need a cloud phone for your ATAPOL. Yes, you don't need a cloud phone. You just need to know this trick. Now, this video is going to be in two places. Okay, this is the part 1 of it. I'm going to be doing the part 2 of this video where I'll be showing you the full trick. Now, the reason why I'm not going to be making this general is because I don't want you guys to go out there and cast the updates. Okay, sometimes updates like this, when you put it out there, people misuse it, and then before you know, this Curious Cat team actually realize how we do this thing. So you cast the update and the update is gone. So I don't want to put this video out there, okay, just like that. Okay, I want it just for my community. Yes, just for my community. So what I'm going to do is that this is the part 1 of this video. And if you're watching this part 1, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm going to be dropping the part 2, which I'm going to be giving details of how I actually did this, how I made this happen. Okay, so for you to have access to that, you must have subscribed to my YouTube channel. And then the video, I'm not going to drop it to public. It's not going to be on public. It's going to be just for my community alone. Okay, so if you're watching this video, make sure you subscribe, and then join my WhatsApp group. My WhatsApp group, yes, I will attach it to this particular video that is on the description or the comment section. I'm going to attach it there. So make sure you join my WhatsApp group. If you don't know how to join, just send me a DM or drop a comment, WhatsApp link. Okay, I'm going to send it across to you so you can join, because I just want to share it to this particular update to a group of people that I know that can actually keep it to themselves. Because once you share this kind of update, it's not that I don't like sharing. I love to share, but trust me, once I share it out there, you guys are going to misuse it, and before you know, these people are going to secure this thing too tight that we can't even access it again. But for now, I can actually access it. You can see I'm refreshing, and there is nothing like VPN is displaying. And like I told you, you can actually use this particular method for your ATAPOL. You don't need to be buying cloud phone or anything. You can use this for your ATAPOL and you're good to go. Yes, you're good to go. So make sure you join my WhatsApp group. Make sure you you follow up on my you subscribe to my channel, so that when I'm dropping the next video, it's not going to be on public. It's only those that have subscribed. Take note, it's only those that have subscribed that are going to see that particular video. It's not going to be public. Okay, and that video I'll be dropping it privately. So the only way you can have access to it is when you have subscribed to if you're watching this particular part 1, subscribed, and then you're going to have access to it. Or probably just DM me and then I will send it to you across my WhatsApp community. Okay, I have a group of people that I set aside that we share update together. Okay, and then we end together. So guys, this is it. Yes, I told you guys I'll do it, and then it's out. You can see it's out then. So a lot of research were made and then we got it right. So guys, if you're interested, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then the part 2 of this video, you have access to it. You're welcome. God bless you.